Hi, I'm Eric Stauffer, and this is Eric Stauffer Cooks. I'm documenting my journey of learning how to cook more and more complex meals. So I'm starting out with things like breakfast, spaghetti, simple desserts or snacks, like apples, apples and peanut butter. But over time, my goal is for the recipes to get a lot more complex. And so if you want to follow along with me, if you're early in your cooking skills as I am, this will be the journey to take with me. I have a very simple kitchen, recently divorced, and well, a little over 2 years ago, but kind of rebuilding, learning how to cook on my own, getting new stuff on my own, a little bit exciting in that regard. But one of the things I want to do is not just cook, but also go plastic free. So you'll see a lot more of plastic free cooking. So I already have one video about replacing my plastic utensils, my cooking utensils, with wooden utensils to try to cut down on the amount of plastic I'm eating. And today I'm going to be cutting down on the use of plastic coffee maker with a glass and metal French press coffee maker. So instead of running hot water through the plastic coffee maker, I'm just going to be making coffee in this glass container and hopefully eating less plastic, drinking less plastic. Okay, so this is my first one I've ever had. This is going to be a video about me opening it up and trying to figure out how it works. But before I do, I just want to say something real quick. I actually did research to figure out, surely there's plastic-free coffee makers, right? Well, on all of Amazon, there's only one, and it's like $400. I'll link to it in the description below, but everything else is just like a pour over or a French press. So I don't want to do a pour over because I like to make coffee while I'm making breakfast in the morning, as you guys know if you've watched some of my other breakfast videos. And another reason is because my parents use the old French press, so it kind of reminds me of them. All right, so let's open it up. I got this off of Amazon, by the way. I'll put a link in the description. This was the top recommended one. It's supposed to be all glass and metal. I'm realizing that I might have wanted to wash this first. I have not, but that's okay. For this video, we won't wash it. It's kind of cool. How's this work? Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Huh. The funnest part of a French press is the instructions. Is pressing the plunger down. It says basically put the hot water in, put the coffee at the top. I don't know, it has instructions. You can lock the lid, you cannot lock the lid. All right, so the hot water goes in here. Hot water goes in here. And then the coffee. I don't know where the coffee goes. Hold on a second. Okay, step 1, put hot water inside of it. Step 2, put coarse ground coffee into the pot. Okay. So, in summary, we're going to put hot water in it, then just pour coffee into the hot water, put this on top like this, but don't press it down for 4 minutes, and then after 4 minutes, press the plunger down. Okay, I've got my hot water kettle here. I'm gonna put it on the stove right over here. Hot. Got the scooper. I don't know. I'm not gonna drink it, so I'm just gonna do like a couple scoops. Not the best coffee, but you know, again, I'm not drinking it. Although I normally do. Alright. So, gently put this on. Push it down a little bit. And I guess now you wait. It's got like a little like holes here. It's hard to see, but I guess if you could pour it that way if you line them up just right. But yeah, I guess we'll just let her sit here and then we'll push it down in about 4 minutes. I'm gonna set the old kitchen timer on the microwave. All right, we're at 4 minutes right now, and that is not looking too good. I don't know if I just I'm not doing something right or what, but yeah, that looks way too yellow. I don't know if it's not. The water's not hot enough, or I didn't use enough coffee. I don't know. Should I redo it? Let's see what happens if I just push it down. I mean, it gets darker. I wonder if that's what I was supposed to do. I should probably watch a YouTube video about how to do this. I'm gonna do that right now. I'll come back. Okay, so apparently I was supposed to stir it together before I did the plunger. I don't think that was in the instructions. Let's see. English. Just scoop it into the pot. Yeah. Oh, and then you're supposed to put the coffee in first and then the water. Oh, it does say right here, stir the brew with a plastic spoon. We're not going to use a plastic spoon. This is a plastic-free channel. I'm going to use a bamboo spoon. Let's see. There we go. Let's use this to stir this bad boy. Must have attention to detail. Gotta read the directions. Okay, here we go. Alright, we did the stirring step. We did it out of order, but it's done now. So, I'm going to be pressing this down. Okay, this is the best part, everybody. Okay. Here we go. Pressing all the grounds to the bottom. Okay. And that is how you make plastic-free coffee. It's as easy as that, folks. Oh boy, I gotta do better at this. Thanks for watching.